Assalamualaikum students. In this slide, I'll talk about chapter number 1, that is periodic classification, and that is our topic 3, Lauder-Meyer classification. Lauder-Meyer is a scientist who have given his idea about the classification of the elements in a very unique way. So let's start the topic, how he has explained his classification. In this slide, I'll tell you in detail about the Lauder-Meyer classification. Lauder-Meyer is a scientist's name. He was a German scientist, chemist actually. He has published, we can say, an incomplete periodic table in a book that was published in 1864. And he has arranged around about 56 elements in his classification, and he had made arrange all these 56 elements into 8 group actually. And he has plotted the values of the certain physical properties like atomic volume, melting point, boiling point, density against another physical property, that was atomic weight. And he has obtained different curves. So what was the observation of his classification when he has plotted the graph? His observation was the element with similar physical properties, the elements with a similar physical properties occupy similar position in a curve. Clear? I'm going to repeat that. He observed that element with a similar physical properties occupy a similar position in a curve, right? Okay students, looks towards the Lauder-Meyer classification curve. This is called as Lauder-Meyer classification curve. As I have told you, okay, he has made the graph between the two different variables, and you can see the variables here. That is atomic volume versus atomic mass. He has taken actually the two different variables, and he has then plot a graph, taken two different variables. Now see what he has said. He has said that element with similar properties occupy similar position in a curve. That mean कि वो तमाम elements जिनकी properties एक जैसी होंगी वो peaks पे एक जैसे position पे मौजूद होंगे. Let's see, have a look here. Look towards the first element, that is lithium. It is present at the top of a peak. Look towards the another peak. It contains sodium. It is again at the top of the peak. The potassium again at the top of the peak. Rubidium, another metal at the top of the peak, and cesium, another metal. This is also at the top of the peak. That means all these elements, cesium, rubidium, potassium, sodium, and lithium, they all are present at the top of the peak, so they all have the same properties and they occupy same position, and they all belongs to group 1. Clear students? Looks towards the another position of the elements. I'm going to change the color of the highlighter. So come here, look towards. That is beryllium. Where it is located? It is located in the ascending order of a peak. Look towards another element. Where it is located? It is again located at the ascending order of a peak. Another element, that is also calcium. Where it is located? Ascending order of a peak. And then strontium, it is again present in the ascending order of a peak, and the barium, it is also present in the ascending order of a peak. So all these elements actually occupying the same positions, so that's why they all belongs to a same group. Okay students, so this is actually Lauder-Meyer classification. Okay, students. In this slide, I'll tell you about the disadvantages of the Lauder-Meyer classification. Disadvantages, you understand that, but I want to say, okay, what are the disadvantages? So, first of all, the main disadvantage of the law is इस law की आप bad luck कह लें, کہ جب یہ لا تو نہیں سوری یہ کلاسیفیکیشن جب پبلش ہوئی تو اسی سال اس سے ایک بڑا لا پبلش کر دیا گیا بائی مینڈلیف. سو ساری کی ساری اٹینشن جو تھی وہ مینڈلیف پیریوڈک ٹیبل کی طرف ڈائیورٹ ہو گئی. وجہ یہ تھی کہ مینڈلیف نے ایک لا پرپوز کیا تھا جبکہ لادر میئر کی جو کلاسیفیکیشن ہے اس کا کوئی جرنل بیسس نہیں تھا. there wasn't any journal basis for the law. سو مینڈلیف پیریوڈک ٹیبل نے ساری اٹینشن گین کر لی اور اس کے ٹیبل کو کوئی ویلیو نہیں ملی. اور دوسری سب سے امپورٹنٹ بات یہ ہے کہ لادر میئر کی جو کلاسیفیکیشن تھی اس میں اس نے ڈفرینٹ فزیکل ویریبلس کو یوز کیا تھا. کوئی بیسک چیز لائک اٹامک والیوم یا اٹامک ماس یا اٹامک نمبر کچھ ایسا بیسک لا نہیں بنایا تھا, اور صرف جنرل فزیکل پراپرٹیز کی بیسس کے اوپر ہی اس کو جو ہے وہ رکھا تھا. اس وجہ سے یہ لا جو ہے اتنا سکسیزفل نہیں رہا. تو ڈیئر اسٹوڈنٹس جو ٹاپک ہم نے آج پڑھا ہے لادر میئر کلاسیفیکیشن, اس کی اب میں آپ کو تھوڑی سی ایگزامینیشن امپورٹنس بتا دوں. اٹس ناٹ اے پارٹ آف دا لانگ کوشچن ایز اٹ ڈو ناٹ ہیو اے لاٹ آف ڈیٹیلس, سو یو ہیو ٹو پریپیئر دس ٹاپک فار اے شارٹ کوشچن آف جسٹ 4 marks. What I have explained in all my presentation, you have to just go through all these slides and prepare it for your exams. I mean you should know when Laudermire has given its classification, what were the main feature of his classification, and then the disadvantages of the Laudermire classification. That's it. Uh, you have to just prepare the topic for the short question answers. That's it. Thank you.